So Insight Enterprises is based out of Phoenix, actually Chandler, Arizona, and we're a global solutions integrator. So that's a slightly different message than you might have heard about anybody else. What we like to talk about is the fact that we can transact product, which is a pretty common thing in the bar industry, but we also have a very huge consultative part of our business, and we're able to do both at the same time. So the customer wants to transform themselves, we can consult and help them through that. And then there's product associated with that transformation, we can transact that product as well. If you want to be really good at backup and recovery, you actually have to be a five-finger person. All right, you have to be the best operating system person that you know, so Linux, Windows, and all the Unix flavors and whatnot. You have to be an application person. You have to be Oracle and Windows Server or SQL Server or whatever. You also have to be a really good network guy, because most of the backup traverses a network, and nothing will crush networks like a backup job will. You also have to be a really good storage person, because guess where all that data is sitting on? In storage. And every one of those storage platforms actually has a very unique way of solving this problem. And then on top of that, you have to actually understand the backup platform itself. It's five fingers. Right? Most companies actually don't have somebody dedicated or with all of the capabilities across all five of those. And we do. And we actually have a number of people, that's what they do. They love, breathe, and eat and do this stuff. And we love being able to solve our customer problems with that team. The culture. The thing that I respect the most about Cohesity is the culture. It's the drive, that willingness to really just go out there. You're a $2 billion startup. You've said it yourself, Mark, and Sanjay says this all the time. Go in there, solve customer problems, be hungry, go work it with us, and we'll solve real things. So we've done a number of amazing projects together. Some very large deals where customers were having problems with their cyber recovery posture. Right? They understood that they needed to be able to recover at scale and the entire thing. And what they had is old legacy platforms that were really not built for that new way of operating, that new way of recovering everything, literally. And what we did is we demonstrated in our labs, so we call them the Research and Innovation Hubs. We have all of your technology in there with partnerships with Lenovo and Cisco and HPE and all the great partners that you have. Demonstrated it to the customers, proved to them that the value is there, deployed it at their environment, and in some cases, we've even actually had to use it to help them recover it. So that's been an amazing journey for us in order to do that. So customers very often trust but verify is their motto, right? And so is ours, to be quite honest, right? So that's what we use our Research and Innovation Hubs for, is to showcase to customers like, hey, here's the pretty GUI, here's how it works, here's the things, but then let's test out the scenario that you're most particularly concerned about, and even show them scenarios that they should be concerned about that they haven't thought. That's what we do with our teams.